Trading setup. I'm under Customize Paintbrush on the left side of the screen. I click widgets in the middle or the top right hand corner. You see a pail that says widgets. Click that and I go under quotes. I bring up two charts. I click it twice, bring up two charts. One options trading window. Then I go into the trading tab. I click order entry, active trade, orders, positions, and account information. All right. Now I'm going to combine a few windows because I have limited real estate. I'm going to combine order entry, positions, orders, and options under one. Set that in the middle. Smash that in a little bit. And so basically all I'm doing is organizing windows here. So I can be comfortable. Did I not order another one of these? Active trade. So let me go to the widgets and get a second active trade window. I thought I had two. Maybe it's down somewhere. Alrighty. And I can go on about organizing, but I won't. I'll leave it alone right now. And so what I need to do first is group the windows together. This active trade window will group together with this chart because when I buy a contract, I want to see the pricing up and down, go up and down, and I can make my decision on where I want to sell at one point. At what point? So I want to group. In the top right hand corner of the active trade window is a negative mark. I'm going to click that, set as group. I'm going to set it to number 2, this left side. I'll set to number 2. It could be any number, but I pick number 2 to group those with. And on this chart, I'm going to set it as 3. Group cross layouts, not the top part, but this bottom part, set as 3. And I'm going to do group cross layouts number 3 down here on the bottom. Now, I have to change these buttons from stocks because they're ready to buy stocks by default. I need to trade them, set them to buy options. So I'm going to click the 3 lines and buttons beside the group layout and go to active trade settings. Now I want to deselect. It says place order stocks. I'm going to deselect those. Go down to place order options. Buy the market doesn't work, so I don't click it. I hit buy the bid, buy the ask. Buy the ask is awesome. If you time it right in momentum, it works great. I'm going to go over to the other side and I'm going to do the same thing. 3 dots, 3 lines, click it, active trade settings. And I'm going to deselect the stocks and buy the bid, buy the ask, sell the market, sell the bid, sell the ask. Got to pronounce the K. And I'm ready to roll now. So in pre-market, before something moves, expire, whatever I'm looking at and I want to buy it, I can be all ready to go. I YOLO a lot. And so as soon as I know which direction the stock is going, I don't have to do any setups. It's already done. And how I do that is I'm going to hit control click on the call side. I buy in the money. I click in the money, strike 453. I'm going to send that to group 2 on the left. Right, so it's a call for 453, call 453 on the chart. On the right side, I'm going to do the puts, 454. So I hit control click on the Apple. I'm going to send that to number 3, and that's a put at 454. Same thing over here. So now I'm ready to go in. Now, if I have issues with it not actually working, I can still just buy the ask and they'll give me an order entry window, because if you notice here, let me get rid of this. You notice here under my options, I did not pay. Well, you wouldn't notice it because I don't have it so you can see it. But on the bottom here, it says quotes are delayed by 15 minutes. I use another trading platform that's real time that doesn't charge me for quotes of option contracts. So I can watch option contract pricing, and as we get to that pricing, I can just enter it on the order entry if these buttons are not working. Sometimes these buttons don't work. Now you can pay the $2.99, $1.99. I don't know what it is a month, but it's way too expensive, so I don't buy it. Um, but I mean, eventually I will. I'm just being cheap, and so we can exit at any time. So I can sell a market, sell a bid, sell a ask. I think they take a little bit of profit when you hit sell a market. So I try to hit sell the ask and bid all the time, more so than sell a market. But if I'm stuck and I just got to get out, I hit sell a market and it'll definitely find a buyer for my contracts as soon as it can. Um, at any price, though, that's the problem. Uh, and that's it. So I can buy from order entry by just clicking the option contract, or I can instantly buy. But if I click the contract and do that, then I have to approve all this stuff, place the order, and click some other order confirmation, all that stuff. On this side, unless it's a 0 day on contracts, I just hit buy and it works. Um, so that's pretty much it. That's the whole layout.